It is difficult to predict the weather in our climate. During the heat and windy weather, plants often struggle with periodic dryness. Therefore, let us take care of rain on demand in a garden. Water shortage inhibits the vegetative growth of plants, lowers the quality of flowering, and reduces crop yields. That is why a garden hose equipped with a convenient-to-use sprinkler is one of the most important gardener's helpers. No two hoses are alike. Despite appearances, the choice of a hose is a matter of great importance. Connected to a sprinkler, it is used often and intensively from spring to autumn. Therefore, it is worth paying attention to the characteristic features that attest to its quality and durability. It is the number of garden hose layers that is important. The 4-layer hose can serve us for a long time, and its internal layer is made of material suitable for contact with food. It works well under extreme weather conditions, within the range of -20 to +60 degrees Celsius. It is UV stabilized, with an internal part resistant to algae. Such a hose type is flexible and pleasant to the touch, and its structure is resistant to scratches and other mechanical damages. Free of cadmium, barium and lead, the hose is also equipped with a tricot reinforcement. That is a specially selected oblique tricot reinforcement made of the highest quality polyester yarns and prevents twisting and kinking of the hose. This way, a garden hose is resistant to knots blocking the stream of water. There are also available 5- and 6-layer hoses, with even better usage properties and greater durability, which are covered by a long-term guarantee under normal operating conditions. The 6-layer hose is equipped with a double-cross tricot reinforcement. A combination of a simple tricot and cross reinforcement ensures the highest durability and makes the hose extremely resistant to twisting and kinking. Good quality garden hoses are indicated also by lightweight. They can be easily carried from place to place and handled effortlessly during watering. Working with them is a pleasure even when they are filled with water. When selecting a garden hose, particular attention should also be paid to other important factors such as length and diameter. For example, for a smaller garden we can choose a shorter hose of a 1/2 inch diameter. And for a larger garden we can select a longer one, such as a 50-meter hose of a 3/4 inch diameter. Generally available are hoses with diameters from 3/8 of an inch to 6/4 of an inch, and lengths from 10 to 50 meters. Among important technical parameters that can help select the most appropriate garden hose and the range of operating temperatures. Also, the colour may be significant. It is due to both usage properties, as a clearly visible hose will not be damaged during garden work, and aesthetic reasons, as we can choose a garden hose to match the colour of elevation, furniture or garden architecture. Garden hoses are sold singly or complete with additional necessary equipment, comprising a connector, hose quick connectors and a sprinkler, or a cart for an efficient winding, transportation and storage of a hose.